create with .ssh name. Inside this .ssh, you'll have the known host key. So if you open this known host key with the help of VIM editor, see. So client.example.com, IP address. What type of algorithm is it? It is ECTSA SHA-2 NISTP 256. It's recommended. And this is a key it is going to generate. With the help of this encrypted key, what you are trying to sending the record, what you are getting the response, it will become encrypted format instead of clear text. Got it now? Without establishing this key, you are unable to access the remote mission with SSH. So that's why we are saying secure shell. SSH means. Clear, guys? Now I'm trying to deleting this known host key. Can we delete? Yes, I have deleted. There is no known host key. Now I'm trying to sending the request. Again, it's asking boss, you doesn't have the known host key. You need to generate. Yes. It is going to again. It is going to regenerate. Then exit. Back to server again. Let's check the list. Again, the known host key got generated. Before I have deleted, right? rm-rf command I used and I have deleted, right? Then again I'm trying to accessing the U1 user account from client. Then it is probing to us to generate the key. I have given yes. Boss, you need to generate the key. Yes means known host key is going to generate. The key it is going to create inside the student user's home directory, inside the hidden folder called .ssh. We are into hidden folder itself only, na? Home student.ssh, right? So inside the hidden folder will have the known underscore hosts. Now try to access U1 now. You don't ask any key. Just you need to provide the password. Then we are going to access the U1 user account from client. I hope you got it, guys. Exactly what is known host key. That is not a public key, Maheshwar. Listen, you don't know, I know. Right? So you will have the wrong information really. Ishwar, what he's asking, everything is wrong. He's getting confused actually. I don't know from where he learned. जो भी पूछ रहा है वो 100% रॉन्ग ही रहता. Clear, guys? So I hope you're clear. Right. So public key is a different, private key is a different. Now we are going to discuss. Don't worry. You are asking wantedly or otherwise you are teaching me. I am unable to understand really. But I am giving the answer politely for you. I am giving the answer politely for you, right? So आप होना बोल के पूछ रहे हैं या वांटेडली पूछ रहे हैं, आपको सच में पता नहीं बोल के पूछ रहे हैं तो मेरे को तो पता नहीं है. What you are trying to asking, I am going to correct. From the day one onwards, I am doing like that only. Right? నేను ఎవరిని ఇసుక్కోలేదు ఇప్పుడు దాకా. ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినా కూడా నేను ఆన్సర్ చెప్తూనే ఉన్నా. ఈవెన్ మొత్తం క్లాస్ కూడా చెప్పిన రోజులు ఉన్నాయి. पूरा entire class भी पढ़ाया था. Yes, no? Right. So let's see, guys, here.
Actually,
so now,
pass me the queries, right?
While you are trying to sending the request to the U1, like the same way U2 also can access, guys. U2 also can access. It don't ask any key. One key is enough to access the multiple users. Like while you are trying to launching the EC2 instance, you are going to use only one key now for multiple instances. Like the same way, right? I'm trying to providing the password. So we got a U2 user. Okay, not only U1, U2. Any user you can access from client to server mission remotely, right? Okay. Now in my organization we have 100 users, guys. 100 users, 100 password. I am into remote area, somewhere into some different branch. Suddenly maybe one mission having some problem, right? As a human, can I remember those all the 100 users and password? Is possible? Yes, guys. Can we remember those all the 100 users? Can we remember those all the 100 passwords? It's a bit difficult to us, right? Okay. So that's why we are discussing now passwordless authentication. After completing this passwordless authentication, then you are going to get one clear picture about your EC2 instance in AWS.
All cost data, bulk import, word files, and close plus word.
Everything it got related, guys. So that's why management, they're providing the Linux sessions for you for free of cost, that too. Got it, guys? Clear? Right. So now, while I'm trying to sending the request to the U1, it's asking password to us. If you're providing the password, then only we are trying to accessing the U1 user account from client to server remotely. But without password, how we need to access the U1 user account? That too securely, with the help of public and private keys. So with the help of public and got it, guys? Using public and private keys, right? Let's see here. Now I'm generating public and private key both into server. Now I am going to share this public key to whom? U1 user. Right, guys? So this is, I'll do one thing. I'll teach with the help of an example, okay? Not only SSH, it's not only ECDSA. RSA algorithm also it is going to follow, Abhishek. RSA. You know RSA, right? While you are trying to launching the EC2 instance, there you are going to find the RSA algorithm. RSA is a very secure, right? Right. So now we are trying to using public and private keys. With the help of public and private keys, we are avoiding the password. We are going to access the remote mission securely into our mission, into our client mission. Got it, guys? Okay. So let's see here. If I'm trying to teaching what public and private keys means, always you are going to get confused. How many confusions now will have? Same confusions you will have. So that's why I'll do one thing. Okay. What is your name? Huh? Tanmay. Tanmay మీరేనా ఆన్లైన్లో? మీరు కాదా? అమ్మాయి అంట తన్మయ్ అంట. మీరు మీ పేరు నేను చెప్పాను కదా, అబ్బాయి పేరు కూడా ఉంటుందని తన్మయ్. అవునా కదా? చిన్నానా? చిన్మయ? చిన్మయ్ తన్మయ్. తన్మయ్ కూడా ఉంటది కదా, అమ్మాయి పేరు ఉంటుందా? రైట్, ఓకే, లీవ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, తను చిన్మయ. ఈ మాత్రం బాగా గుర్తుంటాయి రాజేష్. రైట్. సో ఓకే, we have a student called Tanmay, right? So Tanmay is a rich kid. Guys listen, बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे चिन्मय के बारे में, सुनो यहाँ पे, right? So we have one guy, his name is Tanmay. Tanmay కదా మీ పేరు? Tanmay, right? Assume this, he's a rich kid. He's a rich kid. Okay, he's staying into Hyderabad, that too in personal room. ये दूसरों से नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि रिच किड है इसीलिए. సో హీ హ్యావ్ హిస్ పర్సనల్ రూమ్, రైట్? ఏంది అంత సీరియస్ చూస్తున్నారు? అంటే రిచ్ అని చెప్పేసి చెప్తున్నాను కదా, కొంచెం హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవ్వాలి కదా. సో గాట్ ఇట్ గైస్. దెన్ వాట్ ఐ షుడ్ డూ, మనీష్? వాట్ ఐ షుడ్ డూ, మ్యాన్? లిసన్, రైట్? సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావింగ్ క్లాస్ యూ కెన్ లీవ్, ఇట్స్ నాట్ అ ప్రాబ్లం. I'm not like bothering about you. If you're having another session, you can go, that's it. I am going to complete my session. Okay? Who having the sessions, go, that's it. Listen. So we have one student called Tanmay. Got it, guys? Tanmay is a rich kid. Tanmay is a rich kid. So he is staying into personal room, right? In his personal room, he is maintaining multiple valuable gadgets. For example, iPhone, Apple computer, music machine, right? AC, refrigerator, television, washing machine, everything. Because he's a rich guy, right? So he's staying into his room itself only, 1 BHK, right? It is his personal room, right? So now he need to attend the Linux class. 4 to 5:30 class he is attending. He need to attend the 4 to 5:30 Imran sir's Linux class especially. Right? Then how he is going to secure his room? So without security, if he's coming from his room to Naresh IT, then he's going to lose all the products. Right now? Yes, no? Right. So now how he is going to secure his room? How he is going to secure his room? With the help of lock. From where he is going to get the lock? From where he is going to get the lock? From shop, hardware shop or fancy shop. So from shop he is going to purchase the lock, right? While he's purchasing the lock, that shop guy he is going to provide only lock, or otherwise along with the key. That is called key pair. While you are trying to launching the EC2 instance, at the time you are going to provide not only one key, you are going to provide the multiple keys. It is going to generate in background. That is called key pair. If you want to read the title, key pair like that you'll have, right? So lock and key both are pairs. Lock and key both are pairs. While you're trying to purchasing the lock, those people they are going to provide along with the key. Lock along with the key. Those both are key pair. Lock is a public key. Key is a private key. Got it, guys? Lock is a public key. Key is a private key. Our lock, public key. He put the lock to his room. So at the time his friend he came to his room and then he is going to watch the lock. Anybody can watch that particular lock. Public key anybody can. But key, if you keeping his key in front of the lock, then what will happen? You have the lock, right? So that key will have, right? If he is keeping in front of the lock, maybe beside the lock, then what will happen? He's going to lose his products, right? So that's why what he's going to do, he's going to keep the key into his pockets very securely. Got it now? Key is a private key. Private means our personal. With the help of the key, we are going to open the lock. Got it, guys? Now we are going to generate key and lock. Means public key is a tala, private key is a chabi. So తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? తాళం బుర్ర తాళం కప్ప. సో తాళం కప్ప అనుకుంటా, రైట్? తాళం కప్ప తాళం బుర్ర ఏదో అంటారు తెలుగులో, రైట్? సో తాళం బుర్ర and then this is తాళం. తాళం చెవి, right? తాళం చెవి. Got it, guys? So now we are going to put the lock to you and user. We are going to purchase lock and key, public and private keys, and then we are going to put the lock. Lock means public key, and then we are going to keep the private key into our server. With the help of this private key, we are going to open the lock without any authentication. I hope you got it now. Can I teach you one more example? Movie related example. How many of you know DJ movie? DJ Duvada Jagannatha. You know? Don't know? Allu Arjun's movie. So who don't know DJ movie? The Rajinikanth movie will have na Shivaji. Shivaji movie also it's the best example. Gundu Bash. Shivaji, right? So Rajinikanth movie will have, and DJ is a good example. Okay? In DJ movie, right? So villain name is Royal Naidu. Yes, no? You know very well. You are watching dubbing movies or what? Right, good. So Royal Naidu. So Royal Naidu means that Ravu Ramesh, I think so. Ravu Ramesh is a villain there. Okay. So his name is Royal Naidu. Royal Naidu's son, that guy. Royal Naidu's son, that guy, guys. Actually, Varmana peru. హీరో పేరేంటి? ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్ మా. ఈ మాత్రం బాగా నాలెడ్జ్లు ఉంటాయి. సుబ్బరాజు మామూలు నాలెడ్జ్లు కాదు. రాజేష్ శివకృష్ణ, సుబ్బరాజు, వెరీ గుడ్, రైట్? సుబ్బరాజు ఈజ్ హిస్ ఫాదర్. If I'm asking about Linux question, then you are going to quit. And if I'm teaching about movie related questions, then you are going to give the answer like that too. What immediately, without any delay, no latency. Right. So Subaraju is his son. Usually in that movie, we'll have a concept called Havala, not Diwala. Havala, okay? We'll have one concept called Havala concept. What is Havala concept? Illegal money transaction. Guys, I don't know much about Havala. It doesn't have that much of money to for doing the Havalas, those kind of stuff. Okay, got it, guys. In movies only I know, right? So हवाला गिवाला बोल रहे हैं इसके पास कितना पैसा है बोल के बाद में आ जाएंगे वो लोग. हाँ, अकाउंट में देखे तो पता चलेगा. So got it, guys. So usually in that movie we have one concept called Havala concept, right? Havala means illegal money transaction. For example, few people they have the like crores of the money, means liquid cash, 100 crores, 200 crores, like that liquid cash will have. If they need to transfer the money from India to some different country, so if they try to transferring legally, they are going to lose the entire 50%, more than 50% they are going to lose. So that's why what they are going to do. So in Hyderabad, what we say, so usually mafia backdrop movies will have Hyderabad related mafia backdrop movies. So Puri Jagannath usually he is going to make like that movies, right? So mafia backdrop movies will have na. So those people in that movies, few peoples will have, they are going to do the Havala, right? So they are going to get the like 100 crores, 200 crores from the Royal Naidu, right? DJ movie will have Royal Naidu, right? You need to transfer 100 crores from India to UAE, I think so. So at the time, some people they are going to perform like Havala kind of stuff into the Hyderabad. So they are going to get the liquid cash from Royal Naidu, and they are going to pick one note from that bundle, one note, 100 rupees note. They are going to make two pieces. They are going to make two pieces, right? So one piece for Royal Naidu, another piece for who's doing the Havala in UAE for them. So this half note he's going to keep into his pocket, and then he's going to travel from India to UAE, right? And then in UAE they are going to provide this half note. Key means another half note we are going to provide for UAE people, right? Who's doing the Havala in UAE for them, and one half note along with us. Along with us, both will have, that is private key. దీనికంటే example నా వల్ల కాదు. Got it now? Right. So let's see, guys here. Now we are generating public and private keys. How to generate the public and private keys? Now we are going to discuss.
ఏంద్రది ఏందది స్వీటా తిను.
You can go, if you are having class, no issues. I'm going to continue my class, right? Right. So let's see, guys here. Now how to generate the public and private keys? Now we are going to discuss. SSH hyphen key gen is a command. You have puttigen, right? Puttigen you know na. So like the same way, puttigen is a third party application. So in our Linux operating system, we'll have SSH keygen. SSH keygen. Got it, guys? Right? Then hit enter. Simple. SSH keygen, then hit enter. Generating public and private keys. With whom? RSA algorithm. While you are launching the EC2 instance, you can find there also will have RSA algorithm. RSA key pair. See, where the key pair it is going to generate? Inside the .ssh by default. So home student .ssh. It's not like this. You need to generate this ID underscore RSA key pairs into .ssh. You can give your own path also. You can use some different directory also. It's no problem. Got it, guys? Maybe you can create one directory with the help of mkdir, then provide the directory path. So if you need like some different customized directory at the time. Got it, guys? So how to generate the key pair? How we need to purchase the key and lock? With the help of SSH hyphen keygen. So we need to put the lock for whom? U1 user. So that's why we need to purchase the key and lock, right? So now we are generating the key pair. Key pair means lock and key both. So where it is going to generate by default? Inside the home student.ssh, then hit enter. Then hit enter. Then hit enter. That's it. Enter, 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 enter. That's it. So SSH keygen, enter. Then here one enter, two enters, three enters, four enters. That's it. So what kind of algorithm? RSA 2048 is algorithm. So with the help of this algorithm, two keys it got generated. One is ID underscore RSA. Another one is ID underscore RSA dot pub. RSA means private key, chabi. Pub means not Madhapur pub, public key. Public key means lock. Dot pub means lock. If you doesn't have dot pub, that is chabi. So which one we need to share? This one. Lock we need to put for whom? U1 user account now. So SSH, right? Hyphen SSH hyphen copy ID is a command. We are copying the lock, means public key to whom? To U1 user. Got it, guys? So SSH hyphen company underscore RSA. See, got it, guys? Do you know about this key? Your PEM key. कभी ओपन किया है? नहीं किया है ना? नहीं करोगे भी. This is your PEM key. If you want, you can open the PEM key, launching the instance. Then if you open the PEM key, it will be looking like this only. Everything is same. Terminology is different. That's it. So that's why while you are trying to learning like AWS and DevOps, at the time you should have the good knowledge in Linux. Linux is a backbone of AWS and DevOps. Everybody they're neglecting Linux. All the people they are neglecting Linux. Comedy हो गया है class. हाँ? अभी पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो sir I have another class. Then what I should do? Immediately I need to stop. Remember to whom you are speaking. With whom you are speaking. Remember. Save and quit. So now I am going to open ID underscore RSA pub. Right? ये जो बोलना है मेरे को क्लास स्टार्टिंग में बोलना है, लास्ट में नहीं बोलना है. दूसरा क्लास है बोल के 5:25 को आप लोग दूसरा क्लास है बोले तो मैं क्या मेरा क्लास बंद कर दूं? Open this public key. See, it will be looking like this. This is Tala. Got it, guys? Now go to client mission. Right? Login as a U1. Right? Login as a U1 in client mission. Execute ls-lral, whatever it may be. So you'll have again .ssh into U1 user account. Go to .ssh. See, we have one key called authorized key. That public key will have ID underscore RSA.pub. It will rename as a authorized key automatically. Then open this authorized key with VIM editor. This key and your public key both are same. See, in server same key, in client authorized key also same key, both are same. Now what I am doing in the sense, I am trying to deleting this one authorized key. It got deleted, right? There is no authorized key, right? Then go to server, try to access U1. What will happen? अभी क्या है उसका कम्युनिकेशन कट हो गया ना. Like lock if we got remove, then इसका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है अभी. Then it will ask password. I hope you got it now. Exactly internal process. Now we need to provide the password, and only it's possible to access the U1 user account. I hope you're clear, guys. Now again what we need to do? See, it's asking password. We need to provide the password. Then only we can access. Now, how to avoid password? SSH hyphen copy ID hyphen I, then public key, and then copy the public key to user. Then hit enter. It will ask password. Then try to access U1 now. Finish.